G'day guys, Greg here. Now it's product review time and today I'm going to be trying this product right here. It's the FroPro FPFC High Protein Southern Style Breast Chicken Fillets. Now FroPro's got the nerve to charge $13 for this. It's only 300 grams and you only get 2 bits of chicken in there. So they had want to be the best bits of fried chicken I've ever had. And I am wondering how much chicken is actually in it. Well, let's find out. Well, ingredients, chicken 78%. Wow, that's not bad. Considering it's chicken fillets. Then there's a whole bunch of words and numbers, and some of the words include dextrose, pre-dust, mustard flour, I'm glad it's not mustard gas, colour 160, and canola oil. Now if it tastes any good, the energy is 1130 kilojoules, which means you could probably have about 8 of these patties and still have a body. Like the old Gregor. Now I will be making a chicken burger with it, just to see how good it goes with some extra ingredients. But let's crack it out open, out of the box, and see what they actually look like. Oh, a blue bag. And you can sort of see the fillets through there. They're a decent size. Hopefully they'll fit on the buns that I've got. Anyway, let's see how to cook these things. Well, you can either cook these in the oven, preheat oven to 200 degrees Celsius, place the breast fillets on an oven tray lined with baking paper, stick it in the oven and cook on fan bake for 20 to 22 minutes or until golden brown. But it's also got air fry instructions. Yes! Remove the breast fillets from the packaging. Place the breast fillets in the air fryer basket. Cook for 18 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius or until golden brown. Well, that sounds like a plan, Stan. So let's grab one of these out. Well, they're actually a pretty good size. They're about 150 grams each. And these just need to go in the basket. 180 degrees Celsius for, what was it, 18 minutes. Cool. I might come back and turn it halfway and I'll make sure it's golden brown. Now while that burger's cooking, I may as well get the bun ready. So I'll slice this beautiful sesame seed bun in half. And I might as well put some butter on there because, well, it's butter, isn't it? We all know the benefits of butter. Well, butter makes your teeth white, your skin glow and your hair shiny. Why wouldn't you eat it? So I'll just make sure I put plenty on. Now, with a few minutes to go, that chook's looking alright. Let me just stick my bread rolls in, just because I can. I'm allowed to, it's my cooking channel. And I will just give that a few minutes while that butter melts and the buns get slightly toasted. Probably doesn't need too much time really. Oh yeah, that's nice and crispy. So I'll put that on a plate, I'll let that keep cooking. And how about we use the photo on the front of the box and use that as our recipe guide for this burger today. Well, at least what I think's on the burger. I'll start off with some mayo, top and bottom. And where is the bottom? Ah, that's the top, here's the bottom. I'll add a bit of coleslaw on there. Yummo. Then a little bit of green stuff. This is a rocket and spinach mix, because that's all they had at the shops. I don't know what's happened with the supermarkets, but they seem to be running out of everything. Now I can't see any onion on there, but I'm sure there would have to be. And if I was going to add onion, I'd add it on right here. Some nice red onion. All right. Well, that's finished. Let's take a look at it. Ooh. Whoa! Well that's looking alright. Now, just be very careful. Pick it up. Oh, God, it's burnt! Oh, yeah. Now, how about we just try a bit, see what it's like. Make sure it's cooked all the way through, which it does look like it is. It's not looking too bad. And the coating's looking good too. Let's try some of this coating. Kind of nice and salty and pretty flavourful. Got a good southern fried chicken flavour. Let's try this. Yeah. That coating can be a little bit grainy and flaky and wheaty, and it sort of dissolves fairly easily. It's a bit strange, but not too bad. But let's finish off this chicken burger. So I'll put the chicken there, add some cheese and some tomato with the lid on top. There we have it. A copycat FroPro FPFC high protein southern style breast fillet chicken burger. Well, I've got to say that burger does look pretty good. So let's see if it tastes as good as it looks. Come at me, bro. Oh yeah. That's pretty tasty. I need to taste more chicken though. Oh. That tastes really good. I'm loving that freshness of the coleslaw on there, and the cheese that's melted over there adds a creaminess, as well as that mayonnaise I put on there. And the tomato adds a nice juiciness, and the onion. Oh, I love onion on a burger. Made all together, it tastes really good. Now, because these are $13 for 2 patties, that's like $6.50 before you even got the ingredients. But altogether, it's probably set me back about the $8 mark for this burger, so it's not very cheap. It does taste good though, and well, I don't know, would you spend $13 on 2 chicken patties? Oh no, I wouldn't. If you made it this far in the video, how about giving it a thumbs up? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time I cook up a chicken burger. See you then. Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the reviews are finger.